Part 2. Installing the website package. Now, after you've downloaded your package, and after unpacking it, you will find two main files. The zip archive, containing the website package along with the installer.php file. Inside your cPanel, scroll down and click on File Manager. Browse your domain and move into the domain or the subdirectory you want to transfer the files to. Please note that you can install the reviews website under the main domain or under a subdomain or a subdirectory. In this tutorial, I'm going to install it under a subdirectory, CBReviewla. Click Upload. Select the two files on your disk and drag them to your browser, as shown here. Once the upload process is complete, refresh the folder and you'll find the two files. Now let's start the installation process. I'll go to my browser and point the address to this subdirectory. Type in installer.php, then press enter. On the next screen, check the box, then click Next. The installer will start extracting the website files into the subdirectory. Wait few seconds. In step 2, enter your MySQL database information. Click Test Database. Now, everything is okay. Click Next. The installer will start installing the database. Wait few seconds. On step 3, click Options. Set your new website login information. Type in a new username, a new password, and your main email address. Click Next. Now, installation is complete. Click Admin Login. Enter your website login information you set in step number 3. Congratulations! Now your website is successfully installed and live on the internet. Browse your new website to check everything is in place. In the next video, I'll show you how to set your ClickBank nickname site-wide, and fine-tune some few settings in your website. Thank you for watching.